Everybody's been wondering, what's next for Milwaukee Tool? MX Fuel Breaker.
The MX Fuel Breaker weighs in at 63 pounds. It's got 50 foot-pounds of impact energy and 1,300 blows per minute. It's got a 1 1/8 inch hex chuck. It offers low vibration. It's about half a G at 4.8 or 9 meters per second squared. It's got soft start on it, and the charge capacity with an XC battery is going to be about 2 tons of concrete per charge. So that's a 40-foot long, 12-inch wide trench in 6-inch deep concrete, or 2 sidewalk slabs that are 5 by 4 by 6 inches. It's going to be $2,500 for a kit. Has an optional cart.
MX Fuel Rocket Tower Light, the new way to light the site.
This massive site light has wheels on it for easy transport. It has portable outriggers for leveling on uneven ground. It can withstand up to 45-mile-per-hour winds with those outriggers installed. It's got 27,000 lumens of output. The mast is motorized. It's got outdoor rating. I'm assuming IP54 at least. They did not specify. It's also will charge the batteries when you plug it in. It's $3,000 for the kit.
These are still prototypes.
MX Fuel Carry-On Portable Power Supply.
This portable power supply is a pure sine wave inverter capable of 3,600 starting watts or 1,800 running watts. It's got two 15 amp 120 volt outlets. You can really only max out one of those at a time though. It charges batteries while it's plugged in. You can fit 2 of them on it. With 2 XC batteries, it weighs 54 pounds. I'm guessing this is going to be around $2,000 for a kit. They didn't provide a price at NPS19.
It's the world's safest handheld core drill.
The core drill, Milwaukee really stressed the safety they packed into this design. It's got a clutch that senses bind up and will stop within 45 degrees of rotation, so it's a lot safer to operate than a standard core drill. Not going to throw you off a ladder or bang you into something. Its max capacity is 6-inch holes in reinforced concrete. For battery life, they said with a compact battery, it's got 9 3-inch holes in cinder block. There's an optional stand for large bits. It's got low speed of 790 RPM, high speed of 1550 RPM, weighs 22 pounds, compatible with switch tank for wet operations, and it's going to come in at $2,650 for a kit, $4,000 with a stand.
MX Fuel Sewer Drum Machine.
This sewer drum machine has motorized treads for stairs and loading into work vehicles. It's got power to clear routes at 200 feet. It runs 5/8 or 3/4 inch cable. It's optimized for use on 3-inch to 6-inch pipe with a max capacity of 8-inch pipe. Manual or auto feed. It's got an enclosed drum, 200 RPM. Gonna go for $3,500 for a kit.
Well, we can move the lights. We can make it work.
The MX Fuel 14-inch cutoff saw.
The 14-inch cutoff saw has a 5-inch cut depth, a runtime of 14 feet of concrete at full depth or 10 cuts in 8-inch cast iron pipe, turns at 5350 RPM, weighs 32 pounds, compatible with switch tank for wet cutting. It's got an optional cart. It's $1,000. The kit is $2,000. Powering all of these tools are the new MX Fuel batteries. There's a compact one and an XC one. The compact one is 3 amp hours, weighs 5 pounds, and it's got a 45-minute charge time. It's going to be $350. The XC battery is 6 amp hours. It weighs 10 pounds. It's got a 90-minute charge time, and it's going to come in at $600. Now, the patent on these shows 20 cells. Milwaukee did not actually tell us the voltage. 20 cells for the compact, 40 cells for the XC. That means they're going to be around 72 volts if they're using 21,700 cells that are 3 amp hours each. So they've got the opportunity to step up to 4 amp hour cells as well for more capacity. The charger is going to be $200. I'd love to hear what you all think about the MX Fuel system, what you hope to see on the horizon for it. It's obviously for professionals. I think the only thing in this lineup that they announced this time that might be applicable to homeowners is the carry-on power station.